Hi guys, I am Kashif and I am your tech mentor. Today I will show you how to create an professional Facebook account by using the email address. First of all, you need to open this web browser and go to Facebook official site. Facebook.com is the official URL of the Facebook site. Now we need to click on create new account. Now we need to fill up this form. In previous video I have taught you how to create an professional Google account. I am going to my Google account and putting Facebook information same as Google account. Click on personal info. I am copying my name. Just click. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now we need to input email address. Email address, you just click on icon and this is your email address. Just copy this email address and paste Ctrl V. Then re-enter your email address. Now we need to create an password. I will use previous password same as my Google account. First word is capital KASHIF @786 and $sign. Now we need to select our date of birth 3 and April and 1999 and select our gender. Then we need to click on sign up. Alright, we have reached the Facebook next page. Now Facebook has been the code on our this email address. You just need to open your Gmail and see the Facebook code. Alright, we have successfully receiving the Facebook code. Now just click on this email and copy this code. Now we need to click on continue. Alright, we have successfully confirmed your account with the email address. You will use this email address to login. Okay. Now Facebook website is loading. Alright, we have successfully created our Facebook account. You just click on not now and you can use your Facebook account. I am opening my notifications and seeing these notifications. Welcome to Facebook. Alright, we have successfully created our Facebook account. I hope you will enjoy this video and like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.